amazing class of recorders. I am really excited about the song that I'm going to teach you today, and I'm really impressed with the G's that you all learned last week, so well done for that. Now we are going to start with some finger gym. So you need your recorders at the ready and you need to feel energetic because we're going to do some finger gym now. All the time I want your thumb to cover up the back hole, but I'm going to shout out a number the first time and I want you to cover that number of holes. So I might shout 1, so I want you to cover up 1. I might shout 2, cover up 2. I might shout 3, cover up 3. Okay, so ready with 1 on. Ready, steady, 2. Ready, steady, 1. Ready, steady, 3. 2. 3. 2. 2. 2. 3. 1. 3. That was a tough one. That was a really tough one. 2. Have a look and see if you're covering the hole. 3. How quick are you getting there? Ooh, they'll have a little check. See if you've covered that hole up. 1. 1. 2. 2. 2. 3. Have you covered that hole? Well done if you did. 1. 1. 2. 2. 3. 1. 2. 1. 2. 1. 2. 1. 2. 1. 3. Very good, very good. So now your fingers are all warmed up. We'll do a little bit of copycat before we start. So I might use some B's, I might use some A's, and I might use some G's. So see if you can work out which one it is I'm doing. I'm going to start with B for you. That's for A's. I snuck a G in. I snuck a G in. Did you spot it? Make sure you've got those 3 fingers on. Good. Did you change to A? I hope so. Now a really sneaky one. Listen very carefully. And an even sneakier one. And that was a bit of a clue about what's coming up next. Okay, so my first question for you, especially for the people that were here last year, if you're a little bit newer, you might not know the answer, don't worry, because I'm going to explain a bit more in a minute. But do you know what this song is? No, it is really tricky to work it out, but I think if you sing your do's and re's and me's in your head, then you will get this. Have another try. Did you get it? Did you sing? What did you sing for this one? Did you sing do? And what did you sing for this one? Re. And hopefully you sang me for this one, and it should have come out like this. Mi, re, do, mi, re, do, 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 re, 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 mi, re, do. What song is that? Oh, I know you know. It's Hot Cross Buns. And that is the song that we're going to learn today. And I am so excited that you're going to learn this one because it has all three of the notes we've learnt so far in it. It has B's, it has A's, and it has G's, which is amazing. It's a little bit tricky, but you are so good at your recorders that I know you can do it. Okay, so have a look at the music for me. First thing we're going to do is we're going to fly away to Rhythmland and say our tas and our titis. And what's that other one that's in there? What have we got? We've got ta, we've got ta, and we've got something, the third note. What kind of note is that? It's a ta-ah, brilliant. So we've got ta, ta, ta-ah. What do you notice about the next bar? Is it different or is it the same? It's the same. So it's another ta, ta, ta. Then we go to line 2. Something crazy happens. Normally when we see a titi, there's only 2 holding hands. But here we've got 4 T's holding hands and then another 4 T's holding hands. They're not ticker-tickers because they haven't got 2 lines at the top. So these are just TTs. T, 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 ta, ta, ta. So we are going to clap and say that together. Ready, steady, clap and say. Ta, ta, ta. Ta, ta, ta. T, 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 ta, ta, ta. Brilliant. Now, fly yourself away to Alphabet Land. We need to work out these notes. What's the first note? Use that baboon or that face in the space. Which one is it? Is it B? Is it A? Is it G? I don't know. B, you're right. Okay, so we've got a B. Then we've got something. It's in the space, isn't it? Facing the space. A, B, A. What's the next one? G. Very good. B, A, G. Can you sing it for me? B, A, G. And we've got to hold the G for those 2 counts like a ta, haven't we? So we've got B, A. Ooh, where are we going to do the G? We'll have to do it on our tummies. B, A, G. B, A, G. Very good, very good. Let's do that first line again. B, A, G. B, A, G. Excellent. I think we should try that on our recorders before we do that second line. Here we go. Get that thumb ready on the hole. Get that first finger ready. Here we go. B, A, G. Ooh, so it's 1 finger, then 2 fingers, then 3 fingers. Let's do something crazy. Can you put your recorder on your chin for me? And can you sing 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good. Now, just check that that's covering that hole. Because if this doesn't sound like hot cross buns, then that is because there's some air escaping, like we said last week. You've really got to watch out that the air doesn't escape, especially when you're trying to get finger number 3 over that hole. That's really tricky stuff. Here we go. Nice breath and... How did it sound? Did it sound like hot cross buns? Oh, I bet it did. And if it didn't quite sound like it did just yet, pause the video and have a go and see if you can get that to sound like hot cross buns. Okay, because the next bit is a little bit trickier. Let's do that once more. Off we go. Very good, very good. Ones without me playing. Off we go. B, A, G, B, A, G. Very good, very good. Now let's take a look at that second line. What notes have we got at the beginning of the second line? We've got those funny TTs, all 4 TTs, or 4 T's. And what note is it? G. This is getting really easy for you guys now. G. So we've got a G. We're going to play it 4 times. G, 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 G. Let's try that. Get that finger covering that hole. Off we go. Did you do it? Let's try it again. Off we go. Very good, very good. What's the next note that we get? We've got G, 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 G. 4 little A's, 4 little A's. So let's get A, ready? A, 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 A. Very good. Let's put that together. So we'll do G, 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 A, 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 A. Ready, go. Fantastic, fantastic. There's only 1 bar left. Now, what do you notice about this last bar? Hot cross buns. It's the same as the first bar. Oh, easy peasy. Let's play it. Off we go. Ah, so we can play the whole thing. We've got B, A, G, B, A, G, 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 A, 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 B, A, G. Could you sing it with me once and then we'll try and play the whole thing? Here we go. Off we go. B, A, G, B, A, G, 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 A, 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 B, A, G. Fantastic. Let's get those recorders ready. Off we go. Brilliant. Now I'm so excited to hear you all play that one because that's one of my favourite little songs and we learnt it together a long time ago. So I'd love you to record that for me. Have fun.